Hello guys, this is Jawad Qureshi and you are watching my YouTube channel Paid Promotions. Today I am going to share with you a basic tip how to convert Excel file into PDF. So watch my video till end. और अगर आपको मेरी YouTube की ये वीडियोस जो है पसंद आ रही हैं, आपके लिए यूजफुल है, तो मेरा चैनल लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और शेयर करें. Thank you guys. Okay guys, let's start from the beginning. Just follow my steps. These steps are easier than eating a cake. First of all, make sure that your Excel required field must be fitted in one page like this. For this, select this option, page break preview. Now you can see my entire report, Excel report, showing within these four borders. Now go to file, save as. You can save this file anywhere in your desktop. Like I going to save this in my desktop. Save file as PDF. You will select standard publishing online and printing option for better view. Save. Yes. Now you can see my entire Excel report showing in PDF format. So guys, if you like my video, do share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.